What is cracking, everybody? Today is Wednesday. You guessed it, hump day in the field, July 20th, 2022. Back at it out here, and let me tell you something. Let me get up close on this. It's fucking hot as fuck. I mean, if there's such a definition as hot as fuck, it's today. It's right now. It's in your face, and you're dying. That's what it's like. I forgot to bring water out here, but after this round, I'm gonna go fill up with some ice, bring that shit out here, because I'm gonna be dying out here. I'm sweating. Just bringing the shit from the garage to here, which is about 50 yards and back each time, maybe 30 yards and back. It's like death. Death day, we're gonna call it. Anyway, what do I got today? I got the 2 plates here, which you can't see. 45 and a 45, which equals, you guessed it, 90 pounds. We're gonna be pulling that, dragging it, and then we're gonna turn around and burn it up with the arm pulls. I got a kettlebell here, can you see it? Yep. Kettlebell for some, we're gonna do some swings, some RDLs, boom, 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 and some core twists with it. Yeah. And I got the mat out here for some planks, V-sit holds, and those fun things. So that's what we got today, basically. It's it's an easy one as far as not having to remember too many different things, but it's fucking hot. So that kind of brings it to the extreme, which I was kind of hoping this would be an easy one, but it's not gonna be. So let's get started, shall we? Let's go. I'm gonna get this rolling. The first thing we got is karaoke, which is here. Watch this. I'm gonna go down and back. This is where you shuffle your feet like this. Watch, boom, boom, like this. Just to get some cardio in. And then bring it back. There you go, twist it right here. Twist it, nice. Plate drag, and then plate pull. So we're gonna drag it and then pull it. And then some V-sit. Okay, here we go. Oh, I should flip this over, but that's okay. Drag it. Come on, it's heavy. It's dirty out here. It's fucking nasty. Drag that shit. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's get it out at least 15 yards. Come on. Ooh, that's a burn on your calves right there. Alright, let's pull it. I want to down and pull it up like that. So you're going down and pull it up. Down. You might not see me anymore, but that's okay. You're going to see the weights. Move it. One more. Nice. Throw it down there. LV sit. So whatever you want to call it, sit down. You're bringing it up and you're just holding right here. You can bring your arms up. You can bring your legs straight if you want, like that, like a traditional V. Oh shit, don't fall down. Hold it up. Nice. A lot of ants out here today too, by the way. Next, sprint. Straight up. Down and back. Come on. Woo, bring it back, come on. Blaze it. Let's get a big stride here, look at that. Big stride. And time to kill. All right, next. Kettlebell swingers. Get right here. All right, next 3 are all kettlebells. So, right here, between legs, swing it up. So you're thrusting with your core. Midsection, just push it up. Push it. Blow it out. Breath in, blow it out. Next, RDLs. So we're here, like this. Legs a little bit apart. And we're gonna lean down, legs straight, watch. Get that stretch, tap, back up. Down, tap. I want you to hinge at your hips here. So don't use your legs. You're bending at the hip. You're hinging, should we say. Hinging. There you go. All right. Kettlebell. Core twist right here. Pick it up. Right here. You want to hold it any way you want to hold it. Bring it and twist it. All the way around. These used to be my favorites. Dumbbells, plates, any kind of core twist is my shit. Side shuffles, up and back. So we'll start this way. So get low, bring your legs together, tap, tap, out. And bring it back. Shuffle, shuffle. You want to go fast? You want to move the arms? You can. Ooh, that's tough. All right, sled draggers. Drag and pulls. Get it? Drag and pulls. Oh shit. We gotta twist it. Come on. Pull. Come on, pull. Get down. Get low. Use those legs and pull. Pull. Brutal. Let's pull it back. Arms right here. Come on. Up. Arms. Up. It's like you're pulling a small child on a sled. One more. Last but not least, plank it out. So, that noise. That's a big ass. What the fuck is that? I thought it was a drum, but it's not. Come on, plank it, hold it. Get that sun on you, sweat it out. Come on, you got 5 seconds, come on. Hold it. Woo, you did it. You got 1 round down. It's a shitty little airplane, is what it is. All right, so, wow. Yeah, I can use that water. Get yourself a water break here. Clearly, you need it. As you can see, my ass is dripping. That's what you call shred and grind, sweat style. I still feel like shit on the sides, but you know, it's working, we're working. Progress, baby, progress. So, Wednesday, day 3, killing it. You could do it, keep fasting. Get done today. And just think, tomorrow, do your little workout, leg workout probably. Get back to your food. You'll be loving life. So, on a Wednesday, near the grinding wheel, sweating it out. Peace.